Childcare is such a big issue right now with so many children learning remotely. Working parents don't really know where to turn.
Yeah, but some groups are stepping up to fill that void. And Channel 11's Brian Houston reports as WPXI gets real about those education gaps.
Some students are noticing a difference between having a teacher in person versus online learning.
Because if you need a question, it's easier for the teacher to see if you're raising the hand, and also because we do like different fun stuff at school, but in the tablet not that much.
Okay, do you need help?
Justin Lopez is a third grader in Moon Township, and he's one of more than a dozen students who attend the Mooncrest Neighborhood Center after COVID-19 hit. They're getting extra help with their studies while going to school online.
So there's an app called Teams. You go in there and there's like all different kind of stuff.
I think we've adapted well. It has been a little bit of a challenge to, rearrange staff, and our staff was great. They changed their lives and their plans to accommodate the different schedule.
Teresa Long is the program director. She says her 7-person team switched their after-school program to daytime hours after the district went to virtual instruction. Students come in and leave at staggered times. They're fed breakfast and lunch, and they have recess before returning to class online and then heading home.
I'm just working on the model right now.
This service is filling a gap for the parents who can't afford to leave their children at home or stay home while their kids go to school virtually.
They need to sort of provide for their families, so they can't necessarily not work in order to do that. And then we have a number of immigrant families who weren't necessarily in a position to support their students either.
And they also help adults with things like medical checkups, paying bills, while also teaching GED and English classes to those in need. Through the community's financial support, it's become a one-stop shop for those who need a hand up.
We haven't been able to do as many adult programs as usual with the kids in the building all day because of capacity restrictions. So we're looking forward to bringing some of our adult programs back on those days when the kids go back to school.
And staff here tell me that they plan to switch their hours once the elementary students go back to school in Moon Township. They tell me they are committed to these students no matter what. In Moon Township, Ryan Houston, Channel 11.